Good evening, this is Keith All, and today we're going to be adding on to our last video, which was adding a Builderall WordPress theme. But today we're going to dive a little bit deeper, and we're going to be adding some plugins. Now, you may wonder, what is a WordPress plugin? It's just basically a piece of software that allows you to add some functionality or add additional features to your WordPress website. Today we're going to be adding 3 plugins. One of them I already added. So in order to do that, you can come over here to the left navigation menu, and you select plugins. And here you could either add new a plugin here, or you could look at your installed plugins. Let's first go to installed plugins. The one plugin that you should add, it's called Elementor, and basically it's just allows you to add certain blocks of information to your website, so you don't have to understand like website development through HTML and CSS and stuff like that. So that one's already done. So you could come up here to add new, and what we can do is come over here to the right and search for contact form 7. And just in case, if nothing pops up in the search results, you'll have a message or a link stating that you can search a different directory. Just go ahead and click on that and redo your search, and you should be able to find it. But this is the plugin that we're going to add, and all you have to do is click on install now. And basically what this is, it just allows us to add a contact form to our site. So let's click on install. And once it's installed, it'll have a button here that says activated. So click on activate right away. Okay, so now you can see over here, these are the plugins that have been added. And if it says deactivated, it means it's currently activated. And then if you click on deactivate, it just won't be usable within your website. Okay. So now the next one is, we're going to come over here to add new. Okay, the next plugin that we're going to add will be something that's called HT Mega Absolute. So we're already, let's see, let's go ahead and add, or we could search right here, HT Mega Absolute. Let's see. Okay, and it's right here. And what this plugin will do, it'll help us style the Contact Form 7 plugin that we just added and activated. So we're going to install this. Now we're going to activate it. And we're just going to leave this for right now. Of course, it's asking us to see if we wanted to add or buy into the Mega Pro. This is what the free version includes by the check marks. And so we're just going to leave it as that. And then that will be it for this tutorial. In my future tutorials, we're going to customize this theme even further, and we'll build out this website using this particular theme and the plugins that we have. Thanks for stopping by today. You have a great day. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification. And always don't forget to comment below. Add your thoughts, add questions, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye now.